Namaskar. In previous lessons, we had learned about some Sringarik Hastaks. Today, we will learn about some more Sringarik Hastaks. Sringarik Hastaks number 3. Thaap. Arm extends outwards and palm snaps as if on a drum. Like dha or dha. You have to snap dha or dha. I prefer dha. Follow the still carefully for a better understanding. Hold your core strength. Twist your torso slightly. Don't twist your hip. Eyes should follow the right palm. Snap the right palm as if you are slapping a dholak. Now, Sringarik Hastaks number 4. Swaagat. Both arms extends in one side, palm upwards, as if to welcome. Then pull back as the elbows are bent. Follow the still carefully for a better understanding. Eyes should follow the direction of the hands. Again, use your torso slightly. Bending the elbow is essential as if welcoming someone. So, starting from here, 1, 2. That was the end of today's class. If you are new in my channel, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. And for detailed online or offline class, you can make contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. Namaskar. Happy dancing.